Hi there and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're already here, thank you so much for watching. Today I'll be showing you how to make meatball, the juiciest meatballs in creamy, delicious marinara sauce. These are my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below. Now first, to get started, I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil into my pan. And I'll add 1 medium diced onion. Allow this to cook until it becomes nice and translucent. Now to our breadcrumbs, I add some milk and set aside. You can also use bread, add some milk and set that aside also. I'll go in with half tablespoon of garlic and mixed well with the onions. I'll also add half cup of chopped parsley. Allow that to cook for about a minute or 2. Now to my bowl, I will be adding my breadcrumbs and milk that I soaked earlier. Now I'm adding my onion, garlic, and parsley I sauteed in a pan. I'm adding 1 egg and mixed well. I'll be going in with another half cup of fresh parsley and some parmesan cheese grated, and I also will be adding some chicken bouillon paste and mixed well. Guys, at this point you can mix as much as you like. Now we'll be adding our meat. The reason we want to mix well because we do not want to overwork our meat at this point. Alright, we'll get rid of that spoon and we'll go ahead and mix that well with our hands. Make sure the mixture, the milk and the breadcrumb mixture is well combined. Now you'll add some Worcestershire and some pepper flakes. I also did add some more of my parsley. So now that the meat is nice and well seasoned, we'll go ahead and make our balls. So you don't want to make them too big or too small. Nice medium balls are just fine. Gorgeous. Okay, after we would have rolled our balls, it is time for us to brown them in the pan. So I'm adding about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. So I like to dust my hands and then give them a quick roll again before I place them in the oil. Give them a nice flip, make sure they're brown on the outside. And there is my gorgeous looking meatballs. Super delish. Now to make our sauce, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of oil to my pan, some sliced onions, sliced garlic, some parsley, cilantro, and my mushrooms. Make sure to mix this well. Allow this to cook for about 3 minutes. I'll add my cherry tomatoes, some chicken bouillon, some beef bouillon. Now I'm using basil and garlic marinara sauce. You can get that from any store. But I'm turning this into my delicious creamy marinara sauce. Now I'm going in with my cream, and that is heavy cream. Taste, taste, taste. Now we'll go ahead and pour that right over our meatballs and cover. So since my meatball was too much for my pan, I had to switch to my Pirate's dish where it had lots of room to braise for about an hour. So there you have it, guys, the most delicious meatball in creamy marinara sauce. Please give this recipe a try. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.